Watch how easy it is to give feedback and evaluate your students. In the control panel, click Review Student. Click Add. Select the class that you would like to give feedback to. Choose the lesson that you covered. You will notice that all of the students in your class are on one page. You will notice each student's profile picture next to their name. Under this, you will see the class topic, description, and objectives for the class that you chose. Tick whether they completed or didn't complete the lesson. Next, write a comment about their performance. This can be in whatever format your school chooses. And finally, rate the student on whatever criteria you covered in class. Note, you do not have to evaluate them on every criterion. Only evaluate them on the criteria that you can give a reasonable assessment. If you rate them on something you didn't want to, simply click Reset and start over. Repeat for each student. Click Submit. Pretty easy, isn't it? Motivate and inspire your students with regular feedback. You can view comments from past teachers by clicking on the student's name on your class schedule. Click Objective Details to quickly see what topics and objectives they may have had difficulty with. Click Teacher Feedback to view past feedback and specific ratings for topics and classes. You can easily add criteria. Under Review Student, click Review Criteria. Then click Add Skills. Enter a name, for example, Writing. Then click Browse and select the criterion that you would like to add to the criteria. Click Save. And there you go! Your new evaluation criterion has been added.